Hi guys, I'm sorry. This is Inner Hill Tarot again. I'm sorry I have to stop the filming for after the major arcana because my old Kitty Kahane Tarot, it's not it's not the minor arcana is not in the same order, so I have to stop the video and redo it all over again. So let's continue for the minor arcana. is it, guys. From the back also is the same. So basically this two Kitty Kahanes is pretty similar outside of the wording. I mean the font of the wording to call the court cards and the major arcana. Otherwise there is no difference at all. Maybe that's why also nobody did this video except for me, but I'm glad that I did it, because then in the future when people want to know, they can know. And actually it's not really necessary to buy the original one, which is this deck, if because now you can still buy the one from the 2021 edition, which is like much more affordable, and it came from the same publisher, AGM. I think it's a German publisher. So yeah, I don't see the difference at all, in a sense. And my opinion is yeah, it's a beautiful tarot deck, which is why I have two and make the video. And it's nice to see the different color on the skin tone, and also she put a lot of meteors in her night sky instead of just moon and the sun, I think. It gives a diversity in readings as well. Yeah, I'm going to have fun with this deck. I think I'm going to pair it up with like Saki Saki Tarot, something like that. But yeah, basically something that's also for like star seeds reading. I can see it to be like that. So yeah, but anyway, thank you so much if you come this far into the videos, part 2, because I'm going to make it into 2 parts. Part 1 is major arcana only, and part 2 is minor arcana only. Well, thank you again, guys. If you like this video, again, please don't forget to subscribe, hit like buttons, and share it with your friends, okay? That I would really appreciate it, and to me it's a really nice energy exchange. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a nice day and night anytime you watch this video. Have a nice day. Bye.